Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. That sounded weird, but oh well, we are here because y'all know my faves. And the pink mystery bag is right there. Had this beauty in it. Coral Conviction. Love it. On the cheek. And then I took a little bit of the pink part and just like popped it right here. So right there. And it works out. So I use a combination between this, the Gold Blooded palette, and the Gothic Beach palette. She ain't made no more. She isn't going to be made anymore either. Once these are gone, they go in the vault. Just letting you know that. Oh, and the foundation I'm using is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. It looks great. And the mascara I'm using is the Curse Cosmetic Magic Wand. Because, I'll show you. You got your normal wand until you turn this piece. Magically, it's like that. So just go like that. Makes life easier. And then you just turn it again. There you go. So anyway, you know, I have some eyeshadow singles that I got in the pink mystery bag. Eventually, I will go for the other pink or other mystery bag, right? But, and have my address blacked out. I got this on the TikTok shop. TikTok, stay around forever, please. So, get those scissors out so I can open up the box. I was like, do I want to do makeup while I'm doing the unboxing? No, because not everything in here is just for me. Now, I have a friend in New York that he has a 15-year-old daughter that's going to be 16 this year. My dear friend has cancer. And so you know how that affects people. And he's raising his daughter, and soon he'll just be raising both of his kids, his son and his daughter. But what little girl, there is something in here for me though. I haven't left myself out. Okay, so I love the packaging. I'm just going to reuse this box for her. I'm just going to cover that label. You just don't need my invoice. That's all. That's for me. Me only. So I will keep this and put it in her package. Absolutely love that tissue paper. She's gonna love that. So Doug, just so you know, if you watch this video, go ahead and let your daughter watch it. If she's underage, I'm not gonna say her name. That way she knows what she's getting for her birthday. Yeah, except for this, because this is for me. Now, I do have a Jeffree Star Lippy in that bag that I won't use for me because it's not the right color, so I will pass that on to her as well. But I want to try this first. Did I have that upside down? Yeah, sorry about that. I have to try this. And it was on sale. Like, y'all, don't miss the sales. Like the Gold Blooded palette, which everybody's calling the 10-year palette, because that's how long Jeffree Star has been doing cosmetics for his company. Goodness. I used my scissors from my sewing machine to open things. Oh, there we go. Just to like get it up there. Great packaging, love it. They were out of all the other lip plumpers. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now, I'm always trying to get the Curse Cosmetics lip plumper, but y'all are always sold out. So I was like, oh my gosh, who else has lip plumper? And I think Gerard Cosmetics has one, but they're always sold out, y'all. They're always sold out. So I'm like thinking, and you know what? That'll go with this eye look. Absolutely. So the clear one, got to do the smell. Oh. Ooh, that smells like coffee. Like a really good chocolatey coffee. Now remember, when you use lip plumper, it will tingle. Okay, I can feel that working. Wow. Not like super instantaneous. It's not sticky. I appreciate that. Ooh, there we go. The little kick in from that. And the packaging is always on point. I love that. So, and it goes with the eye look, which is another great thing. So that's mine. So now let me show you. So the lip plumper is working. You heard a knock. There were some creepy people at the door trying to get the door open with the flyer. Bitches. No. I caught them. I opened up the door in time. And they were trying to push some sort of religious crap. Anyway. So, for my friend Doug's daughter for her 16th birthday. In fact, let me grab out of here so Olivia will be given her. Not that one, that one's mine. Who's the Olivia? I have it in here. Probably that one. Oh, here we go. This one. I will give her this one. I don't know why I took my glasses off. This is... Goodness, I can't see that. Anyway, it's pretty. That's hers. And then she will be getting, and these, it was 9 for $9. So she will be getting the shade Glamour Shot. I have this one. You're gonna love that, girl. And then Yak Farm, I have this one. And then Freak Show, I have this one. Girl, I got you most of the ones I already have. Owl Eyes, that's my native name. Only Child, I don't have that one, but you know what? You're not an only child, but you get that shade. Let's see, 1985, that's the name of the shade. That's a really pretty kind of like a stone slate gray color. And then Mohawk, I don't have this one. Girl, you want to swap some? No, I'm just kidding. No, these are hers. And I have 2 more in the box. This one is Open Range. And last but not least, while this is still tingling, oh, that did work. That did plump my lips. I like that. And Wyoming, I have this one. So these will go back in the box. In fact, I'm going to wrap these a specific way. I'm probably just going to use the pink tissue paper if there's enough of it. lay that out in there, opened, so I could put the colors in there. So I hope that she will enjoy. I know she will. It's like, I gave her a Jeffree Star crossbody bag last year, I think it was, for her birthday. She was excited for that. And then I'm excited to make sure that a child that doesn't have access to a lot gets something really nice for her birthday. Yep, 9. And then I will just go ahead and put this in the box. Put that pink tissue paper under the white tissue paper. I might throw in a few little extras for her here and there for her birthday, but it will be shipped to her in this box. Can't wait to hear from her. Don't know if she wants it early, because if she does, Doug, let me know in the comments if she wants it shipped early, which then would be an early birthday gift for me. So remember, there are some kids out there that they don't have access to much because of funding. And my son is checking around to see if those creepy ladies are still lurking. Why didn't they go lurk at the neighbors' houses? They only came here. That's creepy by itself. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Don't let people creep you. Creep them out instead. Like, if you know they don't belong in your neighborhood, because there's been a lot of this weird shit around here lately, and I'll share that with you in another video about some weird shit that's been going on around here. So stay tuned for that. But like I was saying, if you have a child that doesn't have access to much, and you know something might not go with your skin tone, and you know they would love it, absolutely love some Jeffree Star. I might throw some Curse Cosmetics in there for her too. Maybe some Gerard. She needs a little something. Oh, you know what I can give her though to go in there with? I know I'm not going to be using this Juvia's Place palette. She can have this too. So I do like the shades. It's just, I think a young lady like that would enjoy it more. So sometimes I'll give Juvia's Place away for a birthday gift. My friend Jonna from Jonna's Place, and my friend Pauline, which is Pandora Muse 57 Nails. I've gave them some Juvia's Place one year for their birthday. Their birthdays are in November, and they weren't too far apart, so they weren't used to getting brand new makeup. They were getting everybody's used shit. I'm like, no, nothing used for you. Let me just buy you brand new. Yo, they got emotional, because I think it's the first time anybody ever bought them something brand freaking new. Like I said, think of people that just are not able to get something like that. When you get it on a bargain, you make not only yourself happy, but you can make somebody else's life happier by knowing that somebody cared enough. And with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Hopefully no more crazy ladies come around. Bye.